Line me up good, man.
It's freshly made, so it's really, really hot.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We are now in Malaysia and we are staying in the country's capital, Kuala Lumpur.
So today we are going to explore the city, and it's going to be a city walk, and we will start our day to Chinatown. We're going to find lunch there, so let's see what we could find.
All right, Joe's having some better luck today. We walk into the mall to catch the subway and there's a cat convention going on.
He likes my petting.
There's a lot of cats.
Oh, the cat want to be on the camera.
I think all of these cats are up for adoption.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, so this is the subway card from Malaysia, touch and go. So it costs around like 10 RM, which is around $3 Canadian. And one thing you need to be really careful when you're taking the public transportation here, don't get off the wrong exit because they will charge you. Because like that happens to us yesterday, we get off the wrong exit and then we have to go back into the subway station and get out and they charge us. Or like, cause there's so many different like monorail, subway, like different kinds of train. When you got into the wrong station and you get out again, they will charge you too. So just be really careful. Okay, we're in the Chinatown area, and I think I found like a coffee shop that they have some pretty good food, so we're gonna go there. And like it's really artsy here, honestly. Like everything, there's so many graffiti, and it's pretty cool.
All right, we found where we're gonna have our breakfast. It's called Luck Bro Kopi, so let's go eat.
We got the same thing because they were really good. Salty egg, chicken chopped rice with eggs. So you can see this is the salty egg part, and then this is the fried chicken underneath. It should be really good.
This is their signature, right?
Yeah, it's one of their signature food from here. And we're gonna get some dessert after.
And it was 17 RM each.
Yeah, so it's like a little bit over $5 for this. Let me try the chicken. Really crispy.
All right, the meal was really good. Now it's time for dessert. I got a Nutella banana toast. Looks really fancy. It's really good. I mean, look at it. Obviously, it's gonna be really good.
I waited so long for my dessert to come. I think it's a shaved ice. Honestly, I'm not sure. It looks like a shaved ice. They have lychee, red bean paste, and some jelly, like peanuts. And I don't understand why there's corns too. So I'll give it a try. Oh, maybe this is not ice. Oh no, this is not ice. Oh, it is ice. It's really hard. Like I never have shaved ice that's like rock hard. Let me try with the corn. Why is the corn here? The corn shouldn't be here. Yeah, the corn shouldn't be here. But everything else is good.
All right, 30 minutes later, we're still chipping away at the iceberg.
I feel like I'm making my own shaved ice. I don't know if this is normal. Like, it's so hard. I have to use 2 spoons. Okay, so right now we're in Kwai Chai Hong. Kwai Chai Hong is in Cantonese. So if you directly translate it, it's like white people's alley. I don't know why they name it this way because it's in Chinatown. There's like tons of Chinese element, but We'll walk around and see.
Line me up good, man.
Haircut for Jordan. Chinese New Year all over again.
Oh, they're painting some good wishes.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to Patalan Street, so it's one of like the shopping street, and I realized today's Ghost Festival, the Chinese Ghost Festival. So we need to go home before it gets dark, or else it's not good.
So there wasn't that much to see in Patalan Street, just a lot of knockoffs and fakes. But we're gonna keep walking around, see if there's anything else we want.
Okay, so we decided to leave Patalan Street early because we wanted to go to a temple, Guan Di Temple, and they're closing at 3:30, so we only have like 20 minutes left. We're gonna run there and visit the temple before it closes. Because today is Ghost Festival, so I feel like we should do something so we don't get into any bad luck, because we've been into a lot of bad lucks. So, and I think we'll put some donation here, get some incense. It says we need 6, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, now I don't know where to go. Since now we already visited the temple, we should be okay for today. Nothing should happen, no bad luck. And now we're going to Central Market, so hopefully we can find some souvenirs there. We actually did run into a shop and got some chocolate. It was so random. It was in Patalan Street. It's like 10 RM, buy one get one free. So basically it's $3 for 2 chocolate bar. Hopefully they don't melt.
Yeah.
Here we are, Central Market since 1888. Is it a real number at all? It's too good to be true, but 1888, maybe they made it up. And we're going to get some postcards and some stickers. I really need some small stickers to fill up my laptop. So.
All right, we found our 3rd souvenir. It's a wood magnet of Malaysia. It's our first wooden magnet in our collection. And Joe found her the one spot in this mall that makes her happy.
AC.
She
if
got
I
a
move
bit
away,
It's pretty hot in here.
we got souvenir number 4, a bubbler. We got a really old school look of it. I'm pretty excited to use it back home. Here's the outdoor part of the Central Market, and I think we're pretty much done here. We got some souvenirs, and we're going to walk to, what is it called? River of Life after this. So we were on our way to leave the Central Market, but then we saw the snack thing. It's called bamboo trotters. I'm not sure if I pronounce it right, and we're not sure what it is, but I feel like I need to try it. They're like a little bamboo shoot and coated with shredded coconut. So let's give it a try. I think it's like some sort of sticky rice. I will assume that it tastes like rice cake. That's what I think.
We also got some chocolate sauce topping.
Alright, Jordan's
Do you want to do it?
No, I trust Jordan.
Wow, there's a lot of chocolate sauce.
It's freshly made, so it's really, really hot.
Usually not a big fan of coconut.
It kind of just tastes like some Chinese pastry, like some steamed cake.
Most of the flavor is just chocolate sauce, which is good. All right, just a short walk from the central market we were just at, and we're now at the River of Life. Cool palace in the background. We're just gonna walk around and see what we can find.
I'm here. That was too long.
Pretty sad to see, but the River of Life got a bit of garbage flowing through it. In between the River of Life and our next destination, we just came across this monster lizard. And he's just chilling in the middle of the city. That's why they call it the River of Life. Oh, he's coming towards us. Okay, right beside the River of Life is Merdeka Square. So Merdeka Square was the stage when Malaysia became its own country back in 1957. And we'll show you some clips of the squares. Not much, just a lawn and some big government buildings. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Pretty fun walking around the city of Kuala Lumpur. And if you like it, please like and subscribe. And see you on the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.